What is up, people of the internet? Today we are going to my stepdad's house, which is the guy who gave me that Jaguar right there. He is retiring, moving to Florida, and me and Kyler are helping him clear out his big shop and his house of valuable items, trying to sell them for him and hopefully get some kickback, would be sick, especially after Drift Week. But yeah, we are kind of going into this blind. I don't really know much what he has. I just kind of have an idea of what he has. So hopefully it's some good content. Hopefully it's some cool stuff that we can find and dig out and sell. But let's go. Let's get over there. Chihuahua! We are pulling the truck onto the trailer with the other truck. Hopefully this works out.
Right in there is probably okay-ish, unless y'all putting
The Lincoln on.
okay.
Thumbs up.
Flawless victory.
Yeah.
Flawless victory.
Flawless victory.
Slow now, baby steps.
Slow. You know you don't know slow.
I think I'm up here.
Just bump it up to the S10. Just do it slowly.
Solid.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Just barely.
Pull back. Yeah, pull back. Come back.
We got to pull it or push it. All right. No, that's good. That's good.
Yeah.
No. No, 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 no. There's a hook on the exhaust. Put up in the front.
Mom, I couldn't get the damn one.
All right. I think the front and back should get us. We're gonna hit again. Oh.
Hey, don't pull it back. I didn't put it in park.
Or is that where he wants it?
Yeah, I mean, I think that's all we got.
No, we can't get the ramps up.
You know, we wouldn't have this problem if somebody made us some ramps already.
Well, wait a damn minute. Wait a damn minute. No.
Wait a damn minute. Ding, 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 ding.
Gotcha.
How hard does it take those off? I'm joking. I'm joking.
Ramps?
I'm joking. Also, some heavy sons of bitches.
I'm not doing it.
I don't know how.
That looks like a broke arm.
So
Yeah.
I'm thinking I could take the orange ratchet straps and I
Ratchet
could,
strap to the wheels.
no, just hook it from those handles to here,
Yep.
pull the ramps up, and I can go home and never see an interstate.
Okay. Oh, would you get pulled over an interstate for sure? Trooper? All
More likely on the interstate than on the back roads.
right, let's do that.
So let's just do that because I mean it's on.
I really want to do something with this just because it looks sick as.
They're cool.
And then put like a whole JZ front end on it, like suspension.
Oh yeah, suspension.
I agree.
I was gonna say no, like the front
I
end's
see a lot
classy.
of fab work here.
That's good. You've been wanting that.
Sounds good to me.
I mean, it's rear-wheel drive. They're either V6 or V8. So I mean, there's not that much to fab.
It's a V8.
They're V8s.
That's a V8 in there.
Okay, so they're V8s. So
I'm talking about steering stuff, fab work.
It's easy.
Yeah.
That's coal fab.
it's a front rack setup.
Coal fab.
No, it ain't. It's a rear rack. My bad. Ignore me.
We're going in there, dropping and cutting.
Yeah, we can put a BMW rack in it.
Whatever.
I will donate a T56 to the cause.
Hmm?
This could be a weekender whack job. I mean, hack job.
No.
Yeah, with Colton working, for sure.
No.
Colton's a
I
hack.
mean, this would be cool.
Wow. Oh.
This I mean, if we get it running and we clean it up, I sent you several. So I mean, we know we're getting 3,500.
Man, all these.
Yeah.
How long has it been sitting?
It's got no.
Guarantee you, it probably just needs a fuel pump.
There's no
power.
lights.
Yeah,
We put the truck battery in here, nothing.
So
we can't get it to
We've got to
turn.
chase some electrical demons.
Well, we got Colton.
We got
I'm,
Well, you see-
I'm getting signed up right here.
You got a degree in what? What was it, rigging?
Yeah, I guess.
Rigging.
That would be getting the container here. We just come over here, throw the junk in it. I come back with this, and we strap this motherfucker down with scrap metal.
Yeah.
And then I just take it the next day.
You got a metal place in
Yeah.
McMinnville?
I know the guy. So when we go to
That's
scrap,
that Walker name for you.
I know.
That's that Walker name for you.
I know.
I went to school with him. It ain't even Walker. It's just me knowing people from school. And I know the guy that runs the claw.
That needs to be an edit.
The claw.
All right, let's get this ramp. Damn.
Get my pretty clothes dirty. Fancy, ain't it? See, you wanted some.
That's warm. I just flashback myself. Your mom, you know her, yes? Suck your mom.
Been a minute. We've had this on. Last time we were loading up the S10 and Lincoln. Got that loaded up. There's a Firebird, which we didn't record, but took that to my house, and then we got a Trailblazer on my trailer. At Kyler's now, gonna drop these off and then kind of regroup on what we're gonna do with them. And we still can go back, get the dirt bike, and then clear the rest of the stuff out. So let's get these things off. Trailblazer, sadly, they pulled the motor before I could freaking grab it, and it would have been the good Vortex V.
Vortex 4200
Yeah.
American Better.
There you go. S10, Lincoln, a little baby truck,
Dirty Max. It's dirty.
Dirty Max.
Very dirty.
You got this side off. There we go.
Wet.
It's been raining, Kyler.
I'm just saying.
Who'd have thought shit gets wet when it rains? So who'd have thought shit gets wet when it rains?
Never, not me, not I.
There we go. Oy. All right, that's the Lincoln off. Oh Lord, this light's hot. Nah, you still beat. You gotta do it again.
That's success.
Is this recording still?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we should have recorded it, but Trailblazer is off. We strapped it to the S10, strapped the Trailblazer, drove the truck forward. Pretty sick.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
Always a good time here at Kyler's Killer Compound.
All right, that's it. Good night. What is up, everyone? Next day out here. It is very, very cold. As you can see, I've got the unit on 82. Trying to warm it up in here. 55 right now, so it's not too bad. If there was no HVAC, it would probably be in the 40s or high 30s, so can't complain too much. But outside, we got a little dusting, so it's pretty damn cold here in Tennessee. But we've got to get this thing on Marketplace and get it sold. So I've got to figure out a couple things. I need to see if the motor at least turns. So I got to turn that by hand. I need to figure out what transmission's in this thing. So it's either going to be the 700R or the 4L60 from what Colton and Kyler said. So I figure out how to do that, and then of course turn the motor. And the shifter I think isn't connected, so we're kind of banking on it's in neutral hopefully. I need to see if the drive shaft's connected too, and hopefully we can do that today. It is, like I said, freezing. It's probably in like the 20s or teens, so yeah, let's get to it. So here's the motor we're working with. It's a 5.3 truck motor. It's got these headers on it. From what Kyler said, they're just some steel headers, no stainless steel ones. We got some weird junk going on here that doesn't have the rating to even run this motor, so I don't know what that's all about. It's got the harness and everything, got the factory ECU, so technically this should fire up if we did a couple things, but I really just don't care or want to be bothered. I just want to make some money off this thing. Then hopefully we can get this shell sold, or maybe we'll just sell the whole thing. Hopefully someone can just come buy the whole thing. But as you can see, we don't have any wheels. The wheels we used yesterday were Kyler's dad's wheels, because he has one of these. I think he has one of these. I think it's a Camaro though, a Z28. You know, something nice and fancy, because they got money. But Kyler said he don't got money. But yeah, Trans Am, performance suspension. Interior is not too bad looking, so maybe someone will buy it, at least for interior parts. Dash is cracked, windshield's cracked. But yeah, as you can see, I don't think the shifter is connected at all. But it did roll, so again, we need to check the drive shaft, make sure it's connected, then we definitely probably are neutral. Let's see what we can see. So there's definitely a drive shaft right there. I think when you go to the other side, it looks like it's a PPF just like the Miata. Interesting. Alright, drive shaft's definitely connected there. I think it's connected on the transmission. Hey, we might get lucky. It's a 4L60. It looks like the drive shaft doesn't fit. It's barely hanging on in there. But I think that means we are neutral, because everything's connected. So, okay, now to turn the motor. The internet says the 24 mil for the crankshaft pulley bolt, so let's see if it's right. Well, we are turning. Oh, probably help if there wasn't spark plugs in it, but it's not locked up. Oh, crap. So that's a good thing. At least now we can post it saying it's a turning motor. Hopefully that's enough to maybe get around $1,000 for all of this. Plans for the S10 is to get it running, sell it. We had no power on it, and we took the battery out of Kyler's truck, which it was running when it was parked. It just had a cam sensor issue or something, which usually that will like make it not start, but you should still have lights on the dash. So not sure about that. The Lincoln apparently was running when parked. It just leaked a lot of oil, so hopefully we get lucky with that and put a battery in. It should fire up. But we have a plan with that. We're trying to sell the S10, this guy, and then the Trailblazer, which the Trailblazer has no motor in it. They pulled the motor before I could get it. I wanted the motor in it because it's that inline 6 Vortec motor. But the interior's pretty nice in it, so we're gonna try to at least sell it as a whole or part it out, do something. Just get this stuff gone. We don't want to sit on this stuff. We need it gone. We need the money so we can start getting stuff done and then get my stepdad paid. Hopefully we make enough money between me, Colton, and Kyler to do a build on the Lincoln. Inline 6 build, we'll just say that. And that's all I'm gonna say for now until we finalize on some stuff, buy some parts, maybe start a group build with that. And then there's a dirt bike. There's a 660cc dirt bike. It's like a big enduro. It has an electrical issue apparently, so we're gonna try to fix that, sell it, and that should be all the vehicles that I know about that I'm getting to sell for Mike. You have to go back, clear out the place, go through a bunch of other stuff. He's got a bunch of Dale Earnhardt memorabilia. I don't know nothing about that, so we're gonna have to be doing a lot of research while we're opening those boxes. And just a bunch of junk really. There might be some gems in there, but who knows. really at the end of the day, I'm just trying to help him out, get this place cleaned up, and just so he can move. The goal is to be out by February, but me and Kyler's goal is to be out basically in a month, hopefully, just be completely done with it, be cleared out, ready for him to go. So let's get this Trans Am put on Marketplace, take some pictures, and then move back on into the garage. Yeah, let's do it.
Next time on Dragon Ball Z.
American Jay-Z wired.
All the Hot Wheels. So this is one of the notable things. So maybe worth some money of NASCAR. So it's never been opened. Next thing is going to be these vintage NASCAR tees. Just a little glimpse of what we have.